Master Viggle AI in minutes full tutorial. Want to save time and boost your productivity? Viggle AI is here to revolutionize your workflow. It's a cutting-edge tool that automates tasks like content creation, data analysis, and more, all in minutes. Let's dive into how you can harness its power effortlessly. First, set up your account in just a few clicks. Navigate the intuitive dashboard packed with tools designed to cater to your needs. From generating blogs to analyzing trends, Viggle AI is straightforward and user-friendly, perfect for beginners and pros alike. Create. Just input your topic, pick your tone, and add keywords. Watch as Viggle AI instantly crafts personalized content. Use advanced tools for team collaboration and workflow automation for peak efficiency. Its creativity meets smart technology. Keep up with Viggle AI's regular updates to explore fresh features. Tutorials and webinars ensure you always maximize its potential. Whether you're an individual creator or part of a team, Viggle AI adapts to your goals seamlessly. Now's the time to elevate your work. Sign up, explore the features, and let Viggle AI handle the heavy lifting. Imagine your productivity skyrocketing. Start using Viggle AI today and unlock endless possibilities. Your smarter, faster workflow begins here. Try it now.